So in this episode, we're going to be looking now at what the squares of numbers are. And in this first episode, in this first example rather, we were asked to find the square. What is the square of 105? So remember, the square of the number simply means whatever the number is multiplied by itself. So if we had 2 square, this is the base and this is the exponent, okay? And this really means 2 times 2, okay? And if we work that out, we know that we would get 4. And if they say what is the square of 105, it's really 105 times 105. So let's go with that. So it would be 5 times 5, and this would give us 25. We're going to write the 5 and carry the 2. And then 5 times 0 is 0. And we're going to add this 2 to 0. We get back 2. And 5 ones would give us 5. Okay? Cross, placeholder, and then we continue now with 0. So this would give us a line of zeros there. 0 times 5, 0, 0 times 0, 0, 0 times 1, 0. All right, so just one whole line of zeros. Then we're going to put 2 placeholders, and then we move to 1. 1 times 5 would give us 5. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 1 would give us 1. Then we're going to add these. So 5 here, 2 there. 5 and 5 would make 10. So if we put 10 there, we'll put 0 here and carry 1. Then we have 1 and 1. Right? So our answer for the first one would be 11,025. Let's try another one. It says 104. What's the square of 104? And you can just pause the video and do that one on your own and come back and check to see if it's right. Okay, great. So 4 fours would give us 16. So we're going to write the 6 and carry 1. And 4 times 0 is 0. So we bring back the 1. And 4 ones would be 4. Placeholder. Now we continue with this. 0 times 4 is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. 2 placeholders to get there. 1, 2. Now we start with this. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. Then we're going to add all these. So 8 and... that's not 8. That's really 16. So it would be 6 in the ones place. So this would be 6. And this is 1. 4 and 4 would make 8. And then we have 0 and 0 here. They're so close they look like 8, right? And then we bring this one down. So 104, the square of 104 should be 10816 or 10,816. All right, I hope that you guys are getting that. So let's jump to 2 more. We have 110 and we have 15 square. So again, pause the video, work these out, and then match the responses to see if you got those correct. Okay, great. So 110 squared really means 110 times 110. Okay, the same here for 15 square really means 15 times 15. So let's go with 110, and we're going to multiply that by 110. So we'll just have 0 here, and this is a whole line of zeros that would be there. So we just keep this 0 and move on now. So 1 times 0 would be 0. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 1, 1. So 1 placeholder here, 1 placeholder here. I want to start with this one. So 1 times 0, 0 again. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 1, 1. We're going to add these. All right. So let's go 0 and 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0. 0 and 1, 1. 1 and 1 would give us 2 and 1. All right. Don't like how this 0 looks. Let me see if I can get this. Hold a second. All right, well, that's the most I can do for that. But let's just look at, if we had 11 times 11, we know that this is what? 121, okay? And then we have two zeros there, so two zeros here. So we see how our answers would match up. All right, cool. Let's go now to, so our answer then is 12,100. Let's go to 15 square. 15 square really means 15 times 15. So let's go with 5 fives giving us 25. So if we have 25, we're going to write 5 and carry 2. 5 ones, 5 and 2, 7. Okay, cross this out. Placeholder. 1 times 5 would give us 5, and 1 times 1 would give us 1. So now we're going to add these. 5 and 0 would give us 5. 7 and 5, that would give us 12. So we're going to write 2, and carry 1. And this would give us 1 and 1, 2. So the square of 110 is 12,100. And the square of 15 is 225. All right, so next two, 225 squared and 49 squared. Let's see if we get these. So 225 squared really means 225 times 225, and 49 squared really means 49 times 49. So let's set this one out. So let's go 225 and 225. Multiply these. 5 fives would give us 25. Write 5 and carry 2. 5 twos 10. 10 and 2 would give us 12. Write 2, carry 1. 5 twos 10. And 1 would give us 11. All right. We're going to the next one. So let's cross these. And we're going to put a placeholder because we're starting now with the 2. So 2 fives would give us 10. Write 0, carry 1. 2 twos 4 and 1 would give us 5, and 2 twos 4. We're going here, so we need to start here. So we'll put 2 placeholders. 2 fives again 10, right? 0 would carry 1. Okay, this one was done. So 2 fives 10 carry 1. 2 twos 4 and 1 5, and 2 twos 4. Let's add. So we have 5, 2, 5 and 1 would give us 6. 5 and 4, 9 and 1, 10. Right, 0, carry 1. And 4 and 1 would give us 5. Let's check that to make sure that it's right. Okay, so let's go again. 5 and 2 and 6 and 1 and 4, 5 and 5, 10, carry 1. Okay, so that looks good. So this should be 50,625. Let's go with 49 by 49. So 49 here and 49. And 9 and 9. 9 by 9, that's 81. So let's write 1 and carry 8. 9 fours would give us 36. 36 and 8 should give us 44. 44. And now we move to the next column. And we're going to put our placeholder here first. And then we'll say, okay, let's cross this. And 4 nines again, 36, write 6 and carry 3. And 4 fours would be 16. 16 and 3 would give us 19. Right, 1, 9, and then we write that 1. Let's go with 1 and 0. 1, 6 and 4 would give us 10. We're going to write the 0 and carry 1. 9 and the 1 would make 10. 10 and 4 would give us 14. Write the 4 and carry 1. 1 and 1 would give us 2. So let's double check that to make sure that we are correct. So let's go. So this would be 1. This would be 10. Write the 0, carry the 1. 9 and 1, 10 and 4, 14. Write 4, carry 1. Okay. So our answer here would be 2,400 and 1. So we continue now with 196 squared and 169 squared. Remember? So this really means 196 times 196. And this really means 169 times 169. So let's go 196 by 196. And 6 sixes would give us 36. We're going to write 6 and carry or 3. And 6 nines would give us 54. 54 and 3 would give us 57. Write the 7 and carry 5. And 6 ones 6. 6 and 5 would make 11. Let's cross these. Placeholder 9 sixes 54. Write 4. Carry 5. Okay. And 9 nines 81. 81 and 5 would make 86. So I'm gonna write my 6 and carry the 8. And 9 ones 9. 9 and 8 would make 17. I'm gonna start here, so I need 2 placeholders now. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 1 is 1. Let's add these. So this column we have 6. 7 and 4 would make 11. Write 1 and carry 1. And this is 6 and 6, 12. 12 and 1, 13 and 1, 14. Carry 1. Let's put that there. 9 and 7, 16. 16 and 1, 17 and 1, 18. Carry 1. And we have 3. Let's double check this to make sure that this is right. Let's go back. So we have 6, 7 and 4, 11. Right, 1, carry 1. 6 and 6, 12. 12 and 2, 14. 14, carry 1. So 1 and 9 would make 10. 10 and 7, 17 and 1, 18. Right, 8, carry 1 and 3. Alright, so our answer here would be 38,416. Pause the video. You work this one out. And let's see what we get with that. So let's go with this. So we have 9 nines that would give us 81. Let's write 1 and carry 8. 9 sixes would be 54. 54 and 8. That would give us 62. Write 2 and carry 6. 9 ones 9. 9 and 6. This would give us 15. Let's go with our placeholder. Let's cross these. So 6 nines again, that would give us 54. Write 4 and carry 5. And 6 sixes would be 36. 36 and 5. This would give us 41. Write 1 and carry 4. And 6 1 6 and 4 would give us 10. Write all of the 10. 2 placeholders now. 1. So this is 0. Let's see our best. 2 placeholders. We're going to go with the hundreds column here. So 1 times 9 would give us 9. 1 times 6 would give us 6. 1 times 1 would give us 1. Let's add these. We go 1. 4 and 2 would give us 6 here. 9 and 1, 5. 9 and 1, 10. And 5 would give us 15. This is where the 5 should be. Carry the 1 from the 15. And this would be 6 and 2. That would give us 8. And we have 2 here. So this looks like 28,561. That looks good. So again, in this episode, we were just looking at squaring different numbers, right? And once we say that we're going to square the number, remember that we have the base, right? And the exponent, right? And this simply tells us the number of times that it should be there. So if we saw 2 squared, it really means what? 2 times 2, okay? If we saw 3 squared, it really means 3 times 3. Okay, that would be right, but not 3 times 2. Okay, that's wrong. All right, guys, practice some more. I'll see you in the next episode.